Hey crypto enthusiasts! In 2025, with the crypto world evolving faster than ever, securing your assets is crucial. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring your Chainlink tokens from Phantom Wallet to Trezor Wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so you can sleep better knowing your crypto is protected. Let's dive in. First, ensure both wallets are ready. Open your Phantom Wallet app and verify it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Phantom is user-friendly for mobile and desktop, but always double-check for any new security patches. Next, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using the official cable and unlock it with your PIN for that extra layer of security. Step 1. In Phantom, navigate to your Chainlink tokens. Make sure you're on the correct network. Chainlink typically runs on Ethereum, so select that if it's not already set. Step 2. Switch to your Trezor device. Use the Trezor Suite or Bridge app to generate and copy the recipient address for Chainlink. Pro tip: write this down or keep it in a secure note, as accuracy is key to avoid lost funds. Step 3. Back in Phantom, go to the Send function. Paste the Trezor address, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, fees might be dynamic, so aim for off-peak times to save. Step 4. Confirm the transaction in Phantom. You'll get a prompt to approve it. Take a deep breath and double-check everything before hitting send. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to process. This could take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once done, open Trezor Suite and verify that your Chainlink has arrived safely. Finally, a quick security reminder: never share your seed phrases or private keys, and always use two-factor authentication. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there.